Welcome to solverfy.
Well, the time rate of change in the magnitude of velocity is represented by the tangential component of acceleration. Tangential acceleration is equal to v dot. Now, realizing that 8e, so 8e acceleration is equal to 14 meter per second square, 8 angle of 75 degrees. With the increasing direction of the time axis, then we have tangential acceleration is equal to 8 times cosine of 75 degrees. And so the rate of increase in the train's speed at e, v dot is equal to 14 multiplied by cosine of 75 degrees, which is equal to 3.62 meter per second square, right? And the normal component of acceleration at e is given by, so normal component of acceleration is equal to 8 times sine of 75 degrees, which is equal to 14 multiplied by sine of 75, which is equal to 13.52 meter per second square, right? And normal acceleration is given by v squared divided by rho, and further here 20 square divided by rho, which is 13.52. So normal acceleration is equal to 20. We are solving for rho, in fact, right? So this is rho is equal to, here we have rho, this is the rho, and here in the denominator we have normal acceleration. So rho is equal to v squared divided by normal acceleration. We have v, which is 20 v squared is 20 squared, and normal acceleration is 13.52 meter per second square. Therefore rho is equal to 29.59 meter.